Okay, would you please introduce yourself?
Good day, Mom, sir. I'm Melody Padua Tumelden. I'm 34 years old. I live in Pangasinan. I'm married. I have 3 kids. And also, I have 2 sisters, and I'm the eldest in the family.
Okay, what is your educational background?
High school graduate, Mom.
So, do you have experience abroad?
Yes, Mom, I have.
Where?
I work I work in Dubai, Ma'am, as domestic helper 2016 to 2021. They are 5 members and stayed there 5 years.
Okay, what are your duties and responsibilities?
Taking kids, Mom, and also I'm doing household work like cleaning, ironing, cooking, washing the clothes, Mom.
Okay, so only one helper in the house?
Yes, Ma'am.
Okay, what do you prefer to take care, newborn or children?
Children, Ma'am.
Children, if your holiday is not on Sunday, do you agree?
Yes, Ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with babies, children, and elderly?
Yes, Ma'am.
Are you willing to work with another helper?
Yes, Ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of dog or cat?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of disabled?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol or smoke
No,
regularly?
ma'am.
Do you eat pork?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you have vision problems?
No, ma'am.
Do you hold any certificate like first aid, caregiver, nurse, and babysitter?
Yes, ma'am.
What certificate?
And
Caregiver?
caregiver, ma'am.
So, have you any prolonged illnesses undergone surgery?
No, ma'am.
Have you ever involved in any criminal labor police cases?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so who will take care of your children if you will go in Hong Kong?
My husband, ma'am, and my mother.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.